茶を持ってきました。ありがとうございます。
本日は高橋へようこそおいでくださいました。ここ高橋の町は鎌倉時代4風の乱で天候のありました関東の首相秋葉三郎重信がこの地の地蔵として参りまして、標高480メートルの座牛山山頂に砦を築き、以来754年の長きにわたり一州の政治経済の中心地として栄えてきた町でございます。特にこの城は山陽と山陰の要の地に、そのため幾多の変化に見舞われました。戦国時代には時の城主三浦元親に対しまして毛利輝元8万の大軍を押し寄せた有名な中将らがあります。現存のお城は天が3年1683年、時の城主水野屋勝宗が標高430メートルの座牛山小松山に築いた日本一高いところに現存する山城でございます。水野屋は3代目に子供がなく、お家が断絶になりますが、その時城受け取りの命を受けたのが満州赤穂の浅野勝美の藩で、浅野家の王大石貫之と水野屋の子供鶴見貫之の両蔵之の会談は有名で、奇跡の血を流さず城明け渡しが行われました。そして皮肉にも浅野家では浅野辰巳の神の人情沙汰により同じ運命をたどるわけで、歴史の貴重さを感じさせます。この城の上記の交代が激しく、明治2年の廃藩置県までの630年間に18部45台の唐妻が国を治めてまいりました。最後の領主板倉小月は15代将軍徳川慶喜の老中使者で、当然この城も取り壊し運命にありましたが、山の上にあったため難を免れました。間もなくバスは鬼ノ峠に到着します。そこからお城へは駐車場奥の遊歩道をご利用ください。
There's a fenced in where we used to climb. Names we carved now blurred by time. The wind still whispers in the crooked pines, calling out like an old friend's line. The gravel cracked beneath my shoes, where every step replays the blues of afternoons with skies so wide. Nowhere left for her to hide. I left with fire behind my eyes, but silence caught me by surprise. I keep seeing that worn out gate and the porch light that never waits. Even shadows know the sound of my feet when they touch that ground. It's not a dream, it's not a lie. It's the place where my heart runs dry. That store's now closed, but the bell still rings in my head like forgotten things. There's dust on all the window frames, but somehow they still spell my name. I chase the noise of brighter days, but quiet begged me not to stay. I keep seeing their winding trail where the trees still guard every tale. Even silence hums along to the echoes I knew so long. It's not regret, it's not goodbye, it's the place where my heart won't lie. Maybe I was never gone, just lost in songs that led me wrong. But every mile I tried to roam pulled me back to something known. I keep hearing that screen door slam and the laughter I used to understand. Even ghosts won't let me go from the light in that amber glow. It's not the end, it's not the start, it's the place that's my old line, though it's buried in hills and time. Every turn I feel it near, every breath brings it back so clear. It's not a map, it's not a sign, it's the place where I'm most alive.
Used to doubt the mirror's face, tried to hide in someone's grace, but something stirred beneath the haze, a quiet shift in subtle ways. Used to chase what others say, like I was clay they couldn't reshape, but I grew roots beyond the frame, and gave my heartbeat back its name. Now I hear a rhythm I call mine, turning pages one bold line at a time. I'm not who I was before. I'm breaking through the painted door. Colors spilling raw and true. Finding skies Slipped on my shoes with a skip in my soul. Sunlight winks through the crack in the door. Coffee's bold, but my heart's bolder, dancing with shadows on the kitchen floor. The street hums low like it knows my name.